I'm out here at the beach and I'm using Radio Garden again. And I'm about to go to the Netherlands, and in the Netherlands there's a Dutch station called, in Amsterdam, called Radio Antidoto. Antidote is what I think it is. Antidoto, Radio Antidoto. And right now they've been playing, every time I'm there, just hours of ocean waves someone has recorded. And right now I'm at the beach, and there's ocean waves outside spilling in, and I'm listening to ocean waves that were recorded somewhere being broadcast from Amsterdam, where I will be Wednesday morning. When they'll ask, I'll be like, San Francisco, well, Bay Area, you know, San Francisco. And I'll just say, well, this is what it's like. I mean, or what, conversation, storytelling. Being back on the road brings a lot of real positives. Relieving oneself of stress and cultural oppression, which I feel a lot. There's that airport lounge mentality, you know, of being a traveler or a tourist, I guess. Back to listening to Dutch broadcast of ocean waves. The severed head of this kelp, which is quite beautiful and long, lies over there. And I was thinking to myself, this one is a pretty massive one. Is we ought to string it out and see how it looks. That's a big kelp right there. This is from deep right here. I think so. That, my friends, is a big gravel log. They're awesome. Kelp. The ocean has delivered to us today. Rad looking. It's a long one. Another pretty good sized one here. These are from the kelp beds just to our north, probably. Another good one. Sturdy, you know? Like rubber. It feels like a rubber tube. Amazing.